coming from the city of Palos Verdes Estates, which, as you know, is a small city with only 14,000 residents, what was interesting and amazing to me about being involved with the COG was having a greater appreciation for the interactions of our city with all the other cities that were involved. There are issues like the transportation issues, some of the environmental issues that we would not be in a position to address on our own.
Several things were happening at that time. They passed legislation in 2006 that addressed climate change and required the state to reduce emissions by certain percentages by certain dates. So that filtered down into what local government had to do. And the COG very smartly marched forward with that. And we opened the South Bay Environmental Services Center back then. The whole idea of that was to address climate change, become more sustainable, and reduce our emissions. Part of that was that the COG sort of became a central point where cities could come in and consult with our experts, that we are consultants that the COG had hired, to develop their own climate action plans. Every city required to develop a climate action plan. Another piece of legislation came out of Sacramento, SB 375, because it required all of the cities to combine their local land use planning with transportation planning. And one of the really innovative activities that came out of that was we developed a program called Local Use Vehicles, the LOVE project. We had 5 all-electric small vehicles that could only be used on local roads. You could only use them on roads that the speed limit was under 35 miles an hour. All the cars were equipped with GPS. So we knew where they were going and what they were doing. And then we combined that with feedback from the users to find out what their experience was in using them. We began with local use vehicles that sort of developed into neighborhood electric vehicles, which the COG was very involved with in our land use transportation planning. And then that today has become what is called the local travel network. And the local travel network encompasses more than just the small electric vehicles, but other kinds of transportation modes that could use that network.
We had some of those things that we really thought would help reduce the impact of cars in the South Bay.
So the other thing that was really important back in that time was we had passed the Measure R, which is the sales tax that was then used for highways, streets, and roads and transportation projects.
Measure R was a huge program in the South Bay of improving traffic patterns and infrastructure, traffic light sequencing. They had some construction projects that would alter intersections to improve traffic flow.
Our cities in the COG, 15 cities plus City of LA and the county, had to come forward and each present what transportation project they wanted to put forward to get funding for. So we had to coordinate that and collaborate on that.
Whether it was for increasing lanes for turns or increasing a lane on the 110, when I have seen them built out, it's given me some great satisfaction to know that we were part of that planning.